Pondicherry International Safety Training Academy is Southern India's first and only OPITA approved training center offering world-class safety training for the offshore oil and gas industry.
Hello and welcome to Offshore Safety Courses Explained series. In this series, we are going to talk about the various courses that have been made mandatory for those persons working in the offshore oil and gas industry. We'll have specific focus about the course BOSHIT, the various modules that are included in this course, and also the duration, the practical trainings involved, the certification process, the validity of the certificate, and the refresher courses that are there.
So, let's get started. First of all, what is BOSHIT? Basic Offshore Safety Induction and Emergency Training with EBS is an OPITA approved course with the course code 5700. This course is designed to meet the initial offshore safety and emergency response training requirements for all personnel joining new or returning to the offshore oil and gas industry. BOSHIT with EBS is for those who will be supplied with a rebreather emergency breathing system EBS during their offshore helicopter travel. The 4 modules included in this course are Safety Induction, Sea Survival with First Aid, Firefighting and Self-Rescue Techniques, and Helicopter Safety and Escape, which is also called HUET, Helicopter Underwater Egress Training. The duration of this course is 3 days and the validity of the certificate is 4 years. Now, let's go a little more in detail about the practical trainings involved. The first of the 4 modules is Safety Induction, in which an awareness of the typical offshore hazards and the associated risks and how they are managed will be trained. The safe system of work used and the importance of your commitment to personal responsibility for safety will also be introduced in this module. The second module is Sea Survival and First Aid. This module covers the various types of emergencies on board and the procedures to be followed in case of an evacuation. It also covers the various escape procedures, certain in-water survival techniques using personal survival equipment, along with basic training on common injuries on board. A session on how to deliver basic first aid in such situations will also be covered. The third module is Firefighting and Self-Rescue, in which procedure to be followed upon discovering a fire and firefighting techniques using portable and fixed firefighting systems will be covered. A training on individual self-rescue and group escape from a smoke-filled atmosphere is also included in this module. The fourth and the most exciting module of BOSHIT is Helicopter Safety and Escape, which is also called HUET, Helicopter Underwater Emergency Training. In this module, you will be trained about the requirements and procedures for traveling safely offshore in a helicopter. A special training on escape techniques using EBS, Emergency Breathing System, from a submerged or sinking helicopter will also be covered in this module. At the completion of these 4 theory and practical modules, a written assessment will be conducted and a certificate will be issued to the trainees. As mentioned earlier, the certificate is valid for 4 years, upon the completion of which the trainee is required to undergo a revalidation of these skills. This 1-day refresher course is called FOET with EBS with the OPITA course code 5858. We hope this video was helpful in explaining to you about OPITA's BOSHIT course, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next Safety Course Explained series video shortly. Thank you.